Dacă vrei să-ți recuperezi încrederea în sine, dacă vrei să arăți mult mai tânăr la orice vârstă, poți beneficia chiar aici, la noi acasă, de servicii internaționale în chirurgia plastică la Spitalul Internațional Medpark. Astăzi vom discuta cu doctorul chirurg plastician Ercan Karacaoglu, un medic cu renume mondial pentru profesionalismul său. I would like to discuss with Dr. Ercan about Mamoplastie. Mamoplastie, I think, is the often
We do
surgery
a lot. We do a lot.
And I think the often asking and question is why we should make this operation? Why the girls like this operation?
I think the answer is very simple.
Yeah.
Breast is very important for women. It's the symbol of feminine.
Yeah.
So they have a nice breasts after, let's say, puberty time. They're nice. They are lifted, but for some reason, let's say losing some more weight, giving some birth.
Yeah.
So they are losing their shape. They are sagging down, which is no women like that.
Yeah.
There should be a solution for that. So that's why women are adore too much because of this issue. And what we are doing, we are trying to give back this breast what they have years and years ago.
Yeah.
And for some reason, there are some other issues. Women have no breast, even after puberty. So they are women. What? They should stay like this.
You build
Right.
this.
They cannot stay like this.
Breast.
She's a woman. She needs to have something there. I mean, we'll tell that she's a woman.
Yeah.
So it's one of the most cases we do. We do, the breast implant, silicone implant.
Yeah.
It's simple procedure.
How to choose implant?
It depends
It's
on
a
your
lot of
case.
implants,
Yes.
and they are very
Absolutely.
expensive.
We have some prioritization for each patient. Everybody has a different shape. Everybody has a different cage, So you have to individualize for each person. Some people has a very concave shape, some people convex shape, some cage are wide. So it depends on this. Sometimes we use round implants, sometimes we use anatomic implants, but also, as you said, they are different. Round implants could be low projection, middle projection, high projection, or height. Even the same exists for the anatomic implants. This teardrop gummy bear shape implants also has low projection, medium projection, or high projection, different types. So when we look at the patient, or patient, the candidate, we make some analysis, and we have huge amount of this implant. We have all of them ready in my handy, and I choose it during surgery. I try one of them. One of them is going to be the best optimal result for her, so I choose that one.
But usually you use what kind of implants?
Again, depends. If the women give some birth, so they have a loose skin, so in this case, round implant is better sometimes, but it's not a rule. It's in general. But for a girl doesn't have any breast, in this case, an anatomic implant could be the best option.
Yeah, and everybody we discuss with my friends about that. The implants have the longevity.
Yes.
They after 10 years you should change these implants or no?
This is an issue to debate, but normally this is the handmade, silicone. This is human-made. Yeah. So in that purpose, there should be a life for that. In that sense, 10 to 15 years could be the best time to. But if there is no problem, what are you going to do after 15 years? If there is no problem, do you have to change immediately? No, it's not a rule, but the companies who's producing them saying that every 10, 15 years it's better to change. But meanwhile, for some reason, if you have some problem, let's say some fluid accumulation, you have to go to your surgeon. He needs to or she needs to do ultrasound if there's a problem, so we can name it.
Yeah.
But if you don't have any problem in this period, you don't have to change it.
And we don't have now the silicone during you put one time and during the whole life you can use.
No.
Everything
needs to be
is
changed.
changeable.
Needs to be changed.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And what is the period of the recovering?
After that, I mean, if you are using implants compared to the other cosmetic surgeries, there is always a couple of days to 3 days, muscle tension pain. If the 3 days after surgery, you have some restriction using your hands. After that, it is very simple. Again, you can start running, walking after a week. Mostly the restriction is about making some exercises with hands. We do not like making this kind of heavy exercises for the first 2 months after surgery.
Okay. It's a big operation where it's
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
30 minutes, that's it.